I have my springform pan here. It has a spring on it that releases the bottom. And in there I have 1 cup or so, I didn't measure it, of graham cracker crumbs. I'm going to sweeten this up a little bit with some brown sugar. Just kind of stir that in a bit. Just a spoon, about a tablespoon. That don't pack it so that you can get it spread into the mixture fairly well. And butter, melted butter. Stir this in. It's 5½ tablespoons of butter. I suppose you could use margarine if you wanted to, but I like to use butter. And I also put some aluminum foil, wrapped it in aluminum foil in 2 layers, and I'm going to put this in the fridge now while I make the filling. I have 3 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, you know that, in my mixing bowl. It's been sitting out. It should be soft. To test it to make sure it's soft enough, we can go ahead and start by mixing it up. And you can tell by the mixer if it's creamy or not. If it doesn't get creamy, then it hasn't sit out long enough. But I can tell it's nice and creamy. You want to add some sour cream. Half a cup of sour cream. That's also been sitting out, so it's not cold. Get that in there. Okay, and mix this up till nice and combined. Next, I'm going to add a dash of salt. And a cup of sugar. And mix this up. Next, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. And we're going to add 3 eggs, but each egg 1 at a time. Mix it in completely, then go to the 2nd egg, mix it in completely, and the 3rd egg, mix it completely. Okay, the 3 eggs are in. One last time, I want to scrape down the beater. I've been doing this every so often, so please do that, and scrape down the sides. To make sure it's all mixing up. And I haven't been scraping the bottom, so I need to scrape the bottom. And mix again. Just one final time. I believe that's fairly smooth now. I'm going to add some Fruity Pebbles to this. I have 2 cups. I'm going to mix this in. I have the mixture in my springform pan, and I'm going to place some hot water around the sides. This will help ensure a nice even bake, because this is a custard of sorts. And into my 350 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven, At 350 it baked for 65 minutes. Now I have it in an 8-inch pan. A 9-inch pan would probably cook in about 50 minutes. And you see it's jiggly. That's exactly the way you want it. I'm going to take it out of the water. Get rid of the water. And just let this cool off to room temperature. And then put it in the refrigerator overnight. The thing I love about this is it's just nice to look at. It also tastes wonderful. It's a vanilla cheesecake that is just perfect. And tastes good too. Thank you so much for watching.